Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you my 31 Sale-a-bration order. They had some unbelievably amazing deals during the last week of the Sale-a-bration. 31 is moving warehouses right now, and they are taking forever to ship their products. I think that they're improving, but this has taken a long time. I'm gonna get this open here. Getting here, and sorry about that. I don't even remember what's inside. Some of it's mine and some of it's for customers, but it was all really good deals. So let's take a look and see what we have. Okay, these were cute. This is definitely for me. I ordered these for my daughter, and I'm actually already starting to shop for Christmas. She picked out her cinch sack with a little duck on it, and there was this cute little storage tote with the same duck, and I couldn't resist getting it for her for some storage for her room. And it was on sale for like $6.49, I think this one was. They were really inexpensive, so that's cute. So she'll like that. Like I said, it's going to be a Christmas gift. I'm putting it away, and then she can have it as storage in her room. It'll be a cute little addition to her stuff there. They are sadly getting rid of the Studio 31 line. They had all their flaps on sale for $5. That I remember well. So this one's not one of mine, but one of my friends picked that up. Picked up one of the hanging traveler's cases. I did get one of these. It wasn't on sale, but I wanted a tote for one of my large utilities. So that one's mine as well. Here are some more really pretty flaps. They're very nice. Look at all the amazing ones that were $5 each. So you really just could have went to town and changed up everything very nicely. This I ordered for my daughter. So she carries around a purse right now, and I ordered this for her for Christmas. This is for my teenage daughter. I think she's really gonna like it. I was actually expecting it to be more red. It's kind of like a reddish corally sort of color. This was an unbelievable deal. It was like regular $80, and it ended up being like 20 bucks. So I really could not resist. And the main reason why I wanted to get it for her is because she recently got glasses, and I thought she could put her glass case inside here, and then she could use the pouches on either side for her money or her keys, any little things that she wants to carry with her. And it comes with a strap. It says Jewel on there, and that's a really nice. That is going to be a Christmas gift for her. She can even use it as a clutch. You can carry it just like this if you didn't want to have the strap. So that will be a gift for her. So then I have two daughters. So this was for the teenage daughter, and I had mentioned the bin that I got last time with the duck. That was for my youngest, and she's 7, and I also got her this adorable cute bunny because it's so cute, and it was again a super price. This one was even cheaper. This one might have been like $5 or something crazy, and it'll be a good way for her to have some extra storage in her room. She just loves to organize little things into containers, so I know that that will be totally cute and adorable in her room. She'll find that sweet. Okay, the Ruby Mini I ordered for me. I have the Ruby Mini wallet. I really like the pattern. I think it's super cute, and I'm excited to have another little bag. I just love little bags. You can never have enough pouches for organization. I'm super happy to get this. It matches my wallet. It's going to go in my purse. Okay, another tote. That is for me. This is for my deluxe utility tote. So now I have a topper for each. Okay, this is another thing for me. I really wanted to get the fold up family organizer, and they don't carry them anymore. So when I saw it in the sale for $12.99, I was like, this is so perfect. So I'm super happy. I actually thought that I would use this to store some craft stuff, possibly. I really like the idea of having a place for different pens and papers and stickers and all that kind of stuff. So I'm not even 100% sure. I might even have it as a travel organizer for the kids. I could use it for makeup. Like, there's so many possibilities with this, but I couldn't resist this deal because that was fantastic. And you want to talk about fantastic deals in this pattern? One of my favorite purchases may have been my Away for the Weekender bag. I'm so happy I got them. My girlfriend asked me which bag I was most in love with a long time ago before this sale happened, and this is the bag. I said I love it because we go so many weekend trips to go to camp for the weekend. We go to a soccer trip in the States, whatever it is. We're just packing a bag for the weekend. I bought two of them. One my teenage daughter's been using and one I've been using, but you can see like the vibrant color. When this came available, these are $98 normally. It was $35 in the Sale-a-bration. So she was ecstatic and jumped on that opportunity, and I think she's gonna love this color because it is so her. Like, she's a bright, bold personality, and that's a bright, bold pattern. These are also for her. She went to the same 31 party where I first discovered it and was looking to buy some stand tall inserts because they're not normally available. When we saw them in the sale, first of all, the regular $60 or something, and they were $18, I think. I don't know. They were such a good deal, and it was something that she was willing to even have paid full price for. She really wanted the stand tall inserts for her large utility tote, so she has got those as well. And then my other girlfriend bought the Stackin Jacksons wallet, which I've actually never seen inside. So let's take a little peek and see what this one looks like inside. Okay, so it's smaller than the All About the Benjamins, and it's got places for your cards, little tuck spot for money and such. Got a change purse that doesn't actually come out, it's just slip money in. And then another little place for like a checkbook or something. So that's a small little wallet and cute little design. Anyway, so that is everything. So thank you so much for watching. I have tons of personalized stuff that I haven't shown you guys yet because I've personalized it for some Christmas gifts, and I'm kind of hanging off until closer to when I send it, just in case the people who I personalize them for watch the channel, which I know they do. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye.